Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to crop layers in Photoshop in a very easy way and a very easy manner. So first of all, what you need to do is you actually need to go here on the layer, make sure to left click on the background here, to left click on the lock icon, right? Now, once you left click on the lock icon, what you can do is you can go here to the marquee tool. So you can either choose elliptical marquee tool or rectangular marquee tool. And what I will do is I will just select this right here. As you can see, I have successfully selected it. Now what I can do is I can move this around if I want. For example, if I want in the middle, I can move it this way, right? And I can also move it to the left side as well. Now, once I have that, I need to click on the layer, right, that I want to change, and then I can go here and click on add a layer mask right here. So once I add a layer mask, as you can see, I can basically drag this around the layer, If I want, I can unlink them, right? And as you can see, this is how this will look like, right? If I unlink them, I can go Control T. I can make it like this, right? I can change it, or I can just remove that and I can again link them, right? And then once they're linked, that's it, right? But if I unlink them, I can go here and just center this, and then back I can unlink them, right? To link them basically. So, and then I can also go here, double click on it, enter, select and mask, and then I can also change the mask transparency, edge detection, smart radius, smooth, stuff like that. Right click OK once I'm done, and then that will be it, right? That's pretty much it. You can also go here and disable layer mask, for example, or enable it, right? And that's pretty much it. That's how to crop layers in Photoshop. If you have any questions or comments, you're always here to comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.